Toyota GR Yaris has acquired a cult status straight out of the factory. Usually such cars are almost impossible to create. By the very nature of these cars, they're a pinnacle of innovation, ambition, and scarcity, hitting the sweet spot and not be acknowledged few years after the first car rolls from the production line. This particular car is created first and foremost for competition purposes. The Toyota's GR Yaris is made by Finland-based Gazoo Racing World Rally Team, the company responsible for successfully bringing the Toyota brand back to the World Rally Championship participation. The connection between the compact city car of the year 2021, Toyota Yaris, and a rally-winning performance machine might not be apparent, but the GR team has made impossible changes to it. It's transformed from 5-door hatch to 3-door sports car. Body panels are aluminum and carbon composite. Interior has some updates as sport seats and sport steering wheel. In fact, the only few things this car has in common with 2021 year-winning awards Hatchback is lights and wing mirrors. It's functional rather than appealing, but its small size and scale makes it one of the most attractive properties. If you like sporty driving, the GR Yaris is tailored for you, thanks to its hyper-compact size, fine-tuned steering, responsive engine throttle. The compact machine produces and evokes the agility and ability to a classic racer become a rally driver. The GR is lower, wider, and has a 1.6-liter 3-cylinder turbocharged engine that produces 200 kilowatts or 272 horsepower combined with only option 6-speed manual transmission and 4-wheel drive. For the 2,821 pounds of weight, this kind of combination and power output is massive, drives a lot of emotions to driver and passengers. The GR Yaris starting price is around $39,000. In terms of competition, it can sprint the more expensive cars that are double or triple the price of this small-sized beast. The GR Yaris implies a certain insider knowledge and tapping into the complex inverse snobbery of the niche performance brand. The GR Yaris is by all means limited edition car. Only around 25,000 will be made, which makes it ultimate rally-type collection car in the future considering its rarity in global market. If you liked the video, feel free to like and subscribe to see more awesome videos. Thanks for watching.